Friends, welcome back. So, friends, I think you will all be good and well. So, in today's today we have the topic of nutrition. Yes. So, what do you mean by nutrition? First, nutrition is the intake of nutrients. So, what do you mean by nutrient? First, we have to learn what is nutrient before going to nutrition. So, we have learned that all the food we are taking in our day to day life, all the food we are taking are composed of some component, some particles like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, and mineral, water. They are the components of food. Yes, they are the component of food. Here we can see protein, fat, vitamin, mineral, carbohydrate. They are the components of food. And these components of food are called as nutrients. Yes, so all the nutrients, the process of intake or taking of nutrients inside our body is called nutrition. So different type of organism like animal and plant, they have different type of mode of nutrition. So here see mode of nutrition in plant. First, we know that plants are autotrophs. Autotrophs matlab they can prepare their own food, but animals they depend for food on upon the plant, so they are heterotrophs. So first, nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. So based upon nutrition, based upon different type of food habit or intake of nutrients. Nutrition is of mainly two types. Mainly it is of two types, that is autotrophic and heterotrophic. Yes, first autotrophic and heterotrophic. So auto means self and tropos means nourishment. So the type of nutrition in which the organism can prepare their own food are known as autotrophic nutrition, and the organisms they are known as autotrophs. Autotrophs. Yes. Then there is another type of nutrition which is called heterotrophic, and the organism which adapt autotrophic nutrition are known as heterotrophic nutrition are known as heterotrophs. Hetero means other, that is they depend upon others for their food. So here normally only green plant, or some algae, they are autotrophs. That means they can prepare their own food, or they can prepare their food on their own. So here we'll study about the process of preparation of food in plant, that is photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? the process of food preparation in green plants. Leaves are the food factories. We know leaves are the food factories. They help the plants to prepare their food by using some of the natural elements or natural things, that is sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. The raw materials most reach the leaf, water, and mineral present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. Then carbon dioxide from air. Carbon dioxide from air is taken, then through the tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. Okay, so how the leaves prepare food? There are some particular chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. When we have studied about cell, we have also discussed that chloroplast is a part of cell. So here, this chlorophyll is one type of chloroplast, and these are the green pigments. They are green in color and they are responsible for the preparation of food. Photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process of preparation of food in green plant. Here see, the synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight. It is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means the process of synthesis. Synthesis means preparation of food. So, how are they prepared? They can be prepared by using chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, one type of green pigment present in the leaves. These are one type of chloroplast. And how carbon dioxide are absorbed? They are absorbed through the stomata. Pores. Stomata means they are small pores, small openings in the surface of the on surface of the leaves. Yes. Okay. So then we know sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. Why? Because here the plant absorbs some light energy from the sun, and with the help of this light energy it prepares food. The food which prepared by the tree or plant, they are stored as the fruit, and when we eat the fruit we get some energy. So indirectly the energy we get from the fruit is of the energy of the sun. Yes or no? It is the energy of the sun. So sun is the real source, and we can say sun is the ultimate source of energy. Sun is the, just a minute. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. This is proved. Okay. Then animals take that food prepared by the plant, and also in this process, this way, uh, the plant release oxygen, which is the basic component of our life. We can't survive without oxygen. Yes. So see here, this is a picture of photosynthesis, right? You can see the picture of photosynthesis. Here the leaves is taking sunlight from the sun, light from the sun, and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Instead, it releases oxygen. Yes, oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. So now देखो, now see, now you can see here it absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Okay, by using all these things, that is water and mineral, carbon dioxide, and light energy, in the presence of chlorophyll, with the help of chlorophyll, it produces food or synthesize food. And this is the diagram showing photosynthesis. Yes, then during photosynthesis, chlorophyll containing cells of leaves in the presence of sunlight use carbon dioxide and water to synthesize carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, you know. So, by using carbon dioxide, light energy, and water and mineral. Normally, water, not mineral, water. Where? In the chlorophyll present in the leaves, it produces synthesized food, and the food is mainly carbohydrate, which it store as the fruit. It uses some food for its own growth, and the rest food is stored as fruit. Here is the equation: carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it gives carbohydrate plus oxygen. Oxygen, in this process, oxygen is released to the atmosphere, and we all the organisms takes that oxygen and live and survive. Otherwise, we could not. Yes? Okay. See, here it is a leaves. It is the picture of a leaves. Then it is stomata. Stomata. This is the microscopical appearance of a leaf. Inside the leaf, it seems like that. These are the stomatas. Stomata cells. These are the guard cells. Okay. So, using the stomata, the leaf absorbs carbon dioxide and light energy, and these stomata, a particle is present known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps in photosynthesis, or we can say it performs photosynthesis. So, this is all about the process of food preparation or preparation of food known as photosynthesis. Okay, now we have already discussed that plant produce carbohydrate. Okay, then how to know if carbohydrate is present or absent in the leaves? Yes, if we uh, consider a fruit like potato, when you cut a potato, some white precipitate, you can see, these are the carbohydrate, and they are present in the form of starch. Starch is one type of carbohydrate. Here we can consider an activity 1.1. Here, take two potted plant of same kind, keep one in the dark for 72 hours and the other in sunlight. Okay, see, we have two plants, and we have to put one plant inside sunlight, that means in the sunlight, and one in the dark. So the plant which is in the sunlight will prepare food, and which in the dark would not prepare food. That's why what will happen? Okay, then perform iodine test with the leaves. Perform iodine test. So how to do this? Now leave the pot which was earlier kept in the dark in the sunlight for 3 to 4 days and perform the iodine test again. So the plant which is inside or in the sunlight will prepare food, will produce or synthesize food, and therefore iodine test will show positive result. Yes, and this test confirm the presence of carbohydrate in the leaves. Okay, now tell me, uh, plant only produce carbohydrate. It could not produce anything else. Yes, it also produce another things like protein. You know pulses, a leguminous plant. They are rich in proteins. Then how? They also produce protein, synthesize protein. But this is a different process. There are some bacteria in the soil. Yes, there are some bacteria in the soil, and they are azotobacter, rhizobium. These bacteria, uh, they fix the atmospheric nitrogen into the gaseous nitrogen into some compounds, nitrate and nitrite, and mixed with soil. And the nitrogen or the nitrate and nitrate that are mixed with the soil, plant absorb the compounds, nitrogenous compounds, and store them as protein. Because we know protein is made up of nitrogen, but nitrogen can't be directly used by any plant or animals. This can only be used by some type of bacteria, some fixed quantity of bacteria, that is azotobacter, rhizobium, etc. So in this way the plant prepare protein or synthesize protein. Okay, tell me, here you can see some of the leaves which are different in color, means they are not looking green, they are of different color, various color, they are of various color. Here it is yellow, it is looking pink and green mix, violet, yellow and green. So are these leaves also preparing food? Yes, these uh, they are also preparing food. Then how are they living? If they are not preparing food, then how are they living? They are also preparing food. There are also chlorophyll inside their leaves, but they appear different. Yes, so there are also other modes of nutrition in plant. We know that plant has autotrophic nutrition. Then also there are some plants which has different type of nutrition, other modes of nutrition. Then we'll discuss all these in the next class. So it is now it is enough for today. Till then, keep studying.